Israel has launched its most intense military operation in the occupied West Bank in nearly 2 decades, conducting a series of drone strikes and deploying hundreds of troops to the Jenin refugee camp, resulting in at least 10 fatalities and 100 others injured.
이스라엘군이 20년 만에 서한 난민촌에서 드론을 이용한 공격과 수백 명의 군사를 제닌 수용소에 배치하는 등 강도 높은 군사작전을 펼쳐 최소 10명이 숨지고 100명이 다쳤습니다. 자, 첫 번째 표현은요. The most intense military operation in 20 years입니다.
The strongest, most severe. This has just been like 9 minutes ago, the BBC is reporting that Israeli forces have started to withdraw from the refugee camp. So this brings an end to this major 2-day operation. And the latest statistics here say that 12 Palestinians have been killed and 1 Israeli soldier has been killed.
아, 그렇군요. 지금 업데이트된 거를 전해주셨습니다. 이스라엘군이 이제 철군을 지금 하고 있다. 그다음에는 사망자 수는 12명으로 늘어났다. 라는 얘기를 지금 해주셨고요. So that's Palestinians, 12 Palestinians
12
have been
Palestinians,
killed.
yes.
And 1 Israeli?
1 Israeli soldier.
Soldier has been killed as well. 아, 이스라엘 군도 한 명이 사망했다는 소식도 들려오네요. Yeah, this is a very intense military operation, as you said.
Yes, very intense. They went in quite heavily, we could say.
Yes, 강도 높다, intense. And then what about deploying?
Deploying is sending. So in this case, they sent hundreds of troops there, but you can also use deploy with resources as well.
Yeah.
So they deployed tanks. Sometimes we hear about the U.S. deploying aircraft carriers near the Korean peninsula.
Right. 배치하다의 의미인데요. This could be deploying, as you said, people or weapons. Or
Assets, resources, yeah.
Exactly.